fingers and squash your nose.
Blink 3 times to curl your toes.
Where ego spreads with a happy wide grin.
So open the door and let us in!
Look at this, I'm so excited!
Merry Christmas!
Welcome to Father Christmas's Toy Factory.
Hello, I'm Wish. I'm one of the elves in Father Christmas's Toy Factory, which is where we are here today, and we're busy preparing for making toys for Christmas Eve. It's a very big job trying to make sure that all the wishes are taken care of, which is why we often bring in some human folk to help us. Fortunately, we have a very special group of helpers this year, so we are right on schedule.
Once upon a magical time, there was a little elf.
Getting to see them help my elven friends make toys and fulfill the wishes of other small folk around the world, it shows me that goodness exists in Lapland and beyond. Father Christmas just wants all small folk to try their best. It's not about what you do all of the time, just most of the time. He often says, before you go to sleep, if you think of a kind wish for somebody else, that would be enough to get you on the good list.